Hello my friends, welcome to me opening my golden iPhone 12 Pro and having a Russian breakfast, which consists of a hard-boiled egg and caviar, because we love caviar in Russia, and today I decided the golden iPhone, so let's be fancy. I also have a knife because I could not find my box cutter, so I'm just gonna get to open those boxes. Here are all the boxes I need to open. Screen protector, clear case. I thought I'm gonna go with a clear case because I wanna display the iPhone for a little while. And also I just went with the first option available at the store because I couldn't wait to figure out what kind of case I want. I'm gonna get the clear case, open the iPhone, and then we'll see, we'll go from there. So here are the accessories. This is the box for trade-in phone, which I already kind of opened because when I received it first, I was very confused because it's like an open box, a box with a shipping label on it and just like some card, and I was like, what is this? And then I figured it out. So this is my trade-in box. It technically is already open, so I am cheating a little bit, but oh well. And there she is, the box with my iPhone. First, let's eat just a little bit, okay? I'm hungry. This was a great idea. This makes this feel like a celebration. And in 2020, I will take every opportunity to celebrate every little thing. And this is actually not a little thing. It's a pretty expensive device. And I chose it in a very bougie color. It only makes sense to have breakfast this way. My Russian soul right now is just singing. What, you guys want to see the iPhone? There she is. Guys, I don't have a flip screen, so I actually can't see what I'm filming, but I hope that this helps you understand. So this is the box, and this is the box inside the box. I know this is barbarian, but whatever. Okay, this can go. There she is, my beautiful golden iPhone in this futuristic looking box. Feel it inside. As usually, we have this little rectangular box with the phone. Slimmer and smaller than usual because I think Apple does not include the little plug-in charger this time. They only include the cable because they're saving the planet. Good for them, that makes them feel better. Guys, this seriously is so beautiful. I usually never go with colors for the iPhone. I only ever had space gray before, but this time I decided I want to get extra with this thing because this is beautiful and my Russian soul demands things that are extra. So I decided to go with the golden phone, even that I was considering Pacific blue for quite some time because I love blue. But then I decided, listen, this looks like a piece of jewelry. Look at that. Okay. Look how beautiful it is. It actually is very subtle. It's not that very golden. On this side, it's more of a like nude gold and matte. But then bang! This stainless steel gold is just serving me all the bougie vibes. And look at this beautiful 3 cameras. I'm so excited for the camera, you've no idea. My previous phone was iPhone 10, which at the time was like pretty great. But then they came out with like 3 camera phones and I was like, I really want one. And I was gonna get the iPhone 11, then I heard that like they're gonna be coming out with the 12. So I waited for this baby. Super excited for the cameras. I'm gonna test them out later. But for now, I'm gonna switch the camera angle so that you guys can actually see a little closer instead of like just me talking. You can actually look at the phone. There she is. Look at this beauty, reflecting light. Look at this blinding side. Like this is a piece of jewelry to me. Look how pretty. Okay. Here is the phone. Oh my god, I love how it catches the light. And it reflects it so pretty. And it actually doesn't feel very big in my hand. I kind of was afraid that it would be too big of a phone, but iPhone 12 Pro is a great size, actually. It fits really nicely. So here in the case we have Apple sticker. Okay. What's that? I don't even know. We have cable. So after an hour and a half, the phone has copied over and now I'm outside. It's already evening. I already like worked out, did some work. The whole day has passed and I decided to take it out to shoot outside a little bit and like to see the difference. And oh my god, like I already see the difference just shooting this video because it brightens everything up so well, and you kind of can see that there is a third camera because it adds information like in the bottom of the screen. I don't know if it makes sense, but like you can see the difference.
Yeah, guys, and look at that golden light. This is a part that I really like about LA. The light here is amazing. And now let's see it on my old iPhone 10. Here it is on my old iPhone 10. It's actually not too bad, but most certainly much darker. Like the iPhone 12 is so good in low light. Yes, this camera is majestic. This is just beautiful. Now I'm shooting in 4K and I'll be interested to look at it later to see if there's any difference. So far, I really like holding it. It's really comfortable. I think the case actually helps with the grip, but also it's the fact that it's such a rectangular shape and flat sides. I think it's really helping it as well. However, I do have to say that I need to get one of those ring holders on the case, the one that I had on my iPhone 10, because I don't want to drop this thing. This is too much pressure. And I love taking it out, taking my phone out and filming, so. In LA, the moment the sun goes down, it gets really chilly and fall. And now it's fall, so I did my little test with the new iPhone 12 Pro, and I'm so happy that I got it. I was really not sure that I should do it because it's expensive, but I'm gonna trade my old phone in, and it is already worth it. Like, I can already tell, because it makes me so happy, and it's golden, so I'm happy even more. And if you're here right now, please like this video down below and subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be making new videos every week.